Your final body paragraph 3, is going to be another compare paragraph. Again, structured the exact same way as 1 and 2, except this will be more similar obviously to body paragraph 1, because body paragraph 1 was also a compare paragraph. For body paragraph 3, you will be comparing the fact that both boys in their tests had successful results. So both boys basically passed their tests and had some benefits that went along with the fact that they passed. So if we go back to our chart here, you will be using the bottom 2 rows of your chart. The first half of the paragraph will be about what was achieved or accomplished, so the fact that they both passed and what they did to do so. And then the second half of this paragraph will be about the secondary benefits, so another thing they gained by passing their tests. So make sure you use this for page numbers and for your data points. I've given you even fewer things to go off of for this paragraph. It's the third body paragraph. We've also written several essays this year, so I want you to try to work on your own here, but I'll still walk through this in this video. So you need to start with a linking topic sentence, like we always do in body paragraphs 2 and 3. So link back to the previous paragraph and then introduce the topic of this paragraph. So you need to write your own here. So maybe something like, while the tests are different because, topic of body paragraph 2, the tests are similar because, introduce the topic of this paragraph. But please write your own topic sentence here. Next, you'll have your setup sentence, so just finish what I have. You are introducing the point of comparison number 1, so what was achieved? So the fact that they killed the lion or swam through the tunnel. So I started this sentence for you. Use it if you want to. You just need to finish it. And then we go into this chart that we've been doing here for all of these body paragraphs in this essay. But what was achieved, remember that is that row on your chart. But you'll start with Tamos, so find the part where Tamos kills the lion or something that proves what he achieved. Write one of those sentences with a context, quote, and then your citation with your author's last name and page number. And then how does this prove he was successful? Transition, similarly, in addition, also, building from that. Likewise, just something that shows similarity. Same thing for Jerry. Find a moment from the story that talks about him achieving swimming through that tunnel or his success. And then how does that prove that was successful? Explain it. And then your overall warrant here. How does the fact that both boys passed their test prove that they're similar? I know that seems kind of self-explanatory, but just explain it in one sentence. Your internal link, again, you need to write that on your own, so you need to connect what was achieved, point of comparison number 1, to point of comparison number 2, the secondary benefits. So in addition to blank, the tests are also similar because introduce this next topic. Repeat the same steps for the secondary benefits. Remember, that's where you talk about the fact that Tamos gained a friend or gained respect or had a chance with the girl or whatever you want to say. And then Jerry, you could talk about how his relationship with his mom changed, how he stopped fighting her on things, talk about how he gained new swimming skills, a sense of independence, whatever you want to say, whatever you put in your chart. Make sure you have your warrants, your transition here in the middle, and then your overall warrant. So how does the fact that both boys had secondary benefits prove they are similar? And then finally, you need a finishing line, just a sentence to summarize this paragraph. And again, when you copy and paste, just to review, right, you have these 2 sentences obviously in order, and then for this chart part, you will copy and paste this, then the transition. Then the second data point for Jerry, this warrant, then your overall warrant, your internal link, and then repeat those same steps. Tamos stuff, transition, Jerry stuff, overall warrant, finishing line. That is your third body paragraph comparing the fact that both boys had successful test results.